Hello and welcome to Eat With Brodies. This is a food channel that's based on American foods, but we're going to strip them back. So we're going back to basics, making all of the food that you love, but taking out the guilt. So we're going to be making pancakes, we're going to be making waffles, burgers, pizzas. We're going to take all of the rubbish out, put in some new ingredients to make it healthier and easier for you to cook. I'm going to go into the detail of how to meal prep to get your meals ready for next week, and also how to prep for your family and for your kids to make your food enjoyable and to make sure you're getting the nutritious stuff inside your family. If you do like the channel, please subscribe. If you like any of my videos, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate your support. Thank you.